Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of a watch I received from a tier 3 wheel spin from watchgang. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check. You'll see that I am still wearing that hell gray Vigilante. I actually really like this piece and need to do a follow-up review on it. Also guys, if you are looking for some discount codes and promo codes on watches, I have some below for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. And guys, Ivan over at Watch Me Unboxing, his watch that he created, the Iconic Halocline, is live on Kickstarter right now, and I will put links for that as well. You can watch my video on the prototype and check it out if you're interested. There's not much time left on the Kickstarter campaign. And if you're into old cars, check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. Me and my brother are always working on some old cars, trying to keep them going down the road. Now, the wheel spin with watchgang is another benefit that they have. You can spin the wheel, you can get upgraded spins. They have all kinds of different watches you can get from there. I haven't received an upgrade myself, but this is one that I received on a tier 3 spin, which is equivalent to about $285 if you were to buy the points. Pretty cool. This watch is from the electricianz. And to be honest, I don't remember what the model number was, or the model on this one was. So let's open it up and get a little bit better look at this one here. Pull the plastic off. Ooh, come on. Sorry guys, I'm still having some lighting issues because one of my lights blew a fuse and I haven't been able to replace it. But there's a look at the dial, and you can see some of the inner workings. Now, a lot of the electricianz pieces, well, they're all quartz, obviously, but they're in-house movements, and they are super cool. Some of them show a lot of the wiring to the movements. They're, unique to the company themselves. This obviously looks very mechanical and electrical at the same time, which is a really, really unique piece. I don't know the retail on this one just yet. Let's see what the back says here. Electricians do not open, authorized personnel. Really cool. I dig it. I've been looking at some of their pieces for a while, and using my wheel points was a chance to get one. Super cool. Let me go ahead and pull off this watch really quick. We'll throw it on wrist just to get an idea on how this one looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Pretty interesting NATO strap. I'm not sure what the case is on this one. Almost feels like a composite. We've got the electricianz in the side. Really cool. I like the crown design and the push button. I'm going to throw it on wrist real quick. So there's how that one looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Look at the cool dome on that crystal there. Really nice. Now, typically guys, I've done the box openings and later on gone back and done follow-up reviews once I figure them out a little bit more. Is that how you guys want me to keep doing these videos on the box openings? Sometimes I know exactly what the watch is and all the specs and everything beforehand. Other times they are a mystery or a surprise to me, so that's why I like to do the box opening and come back and do a follow-up, which admittedly I haven't been the greatest at the follow-ups, but it seems like more people are interested in the box opening anyway. But let me know about that in the comments below. Also, let me know what you guys think about this piece from the electricianz. I think it's super cool. I'm really, really digging this one, and I guarantee you it's going to get a lot of wrist time. So let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.